How to redeem Capital One miles. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Capital One miles. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Capital One offers fixed value redemptions for most of their rewards. This means that unless you transfer your miles to a travel partner, you will typically receive 1 cent per mile. Capital One has made redeeming miles seamless and effortless. With all your options available directly on the Capital One website or through the Capital One app, I will take you through the brief tutorial on a few options that Capital One offers. Firstly, redeem for future travel. Capital One has an intuitive travel portal that makes it simple to redeem your miles. Just search the Capital One travel portal for your city, dates, and the number of people in your party. Then on your checkout page, you will see an offer to either charge your card or redeem your miles at 1 cent each to cover some or all of the cost. So, 25,000 miles would completely offset a $250 hotel stay. Second, redeem for recent travel purpose. If you're not sure if you want to pay cash or miles at the time of booking, Capital One will let you use miles to offset past purchases from your credit card. Once logged into your account, simply choose the option called Cover Travel Expenses and you will be presented with a list of purchases that you've recently made on your card that are eligible for this redemption option. Next, transfer to travel partners. Capital One has over 15 different transfer partners to choose from. Moving points from Capital One over to these partners is quick and easy and allows you the chance to find even more value from your points. Here's a full list and the transfer ratios. So this is how you can redeem Capital One miles. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.